Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, it is a cold, miserable, rainy day here, and the postman just dropped this box off from eBay. As you see, it is soaking wet, and I felt really sorry for this guy. He's out walking around in 36-degree weather, and he's dripping water. Anyway, this is a 490 that I picked up on eBay for 10 bucks, and I bought this just for the motor. It has a double reduction motor in it, and you go on eBay and you'll see these double reduction motors for 25 bucks, 30 bucks, 35 bucks, when you can buy the entire locomotive with a double reduction motor for 10. So there it is. I'm going to pull this out of the shell. Like I said, I bought this strictly for the motor, and it's in fair condition, nothing wrong with it. It's been sitting for years, there's no doubt about that. It is really, really stiff and dry and dirty, but I'm betting this is going to run. Let me grab the camera off the tripod and take a quick look at this. Now, what do you notice about it? Is that not odd? I have no idea what that is. It looks like it's been melted or replaced, perhaps, but I don't see any breaks in it. It looks like it's a piece of metal that's been added to the top of that where it was broken off. In any case, I saw it for 10 bucks, had a double reduction motor, so I figured I would just buy it for the motor. So I've got some oil here. Let's do a quick test, see if this will run. So I go to the bearing for the armature and give this a big drop of oil. And this is 30 weight motor oil. And as you see, there's the armature itself. It is really, really dirty. Go to the other side, and we're going to put a big drop of oil on this output gear if we can get to it. Gonna have to go this way. Nice big drop. Let that soak into that bearing for a second. And there's a bunch of carpet fiber in there going around if you see it. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Let's put it on the rail, turn on the power, and it lights and buzzes. Wow, it is really stiff. Really, really stiff. Show you a quick trick. So, you see, that's the armature. Right there. You can see it turning. So, when you get a really nasty looking armature, take the locomotive, put it at an angle, and take some WD-40 and give it a real quick spritz right on that armature. All right. And still nothing. All right, check the brush springs. Can't see the top one. So that armature is just absolutely filthy. I don't know if you can tell that or not. I mean, it is really filthy. Nothing. So either that armature is completely covered, not making any contact at all, or there's a brush spring on. Motor is not getting any power at all. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay. Like I said, double reduction motor. I bought it just for the motor. So I'll pull this out, get it cleaned up. I will very likely just discard the shell itself. But like I said, these double reduction motors, you see them on eBay, 25 bucks, 35 bucks. Don't like the push rods? Change them. It only takes a few minutes. Literally a few minutes. Anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing on this. As you see, the shell itself is just trashed. But the double reduction motor was definitely worth 10 bucks. And if you can't get it fixed for some reason, strip it for parts. There's enough parts in this motor to fix 5 or 6 others. Anyway, I'll do a follow-up video. I got to pull this shell off, and like I said, I'm going to discard it. And get this motor running. I'll do a follow-up, and we'll take it from there. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.